Hey, welcome to my living room here. I just recently downsized and now in a townhouse, and I had a train room at the old place. And moving into the townhouse, I realized I ain't got nowhere to put all my trains. And how can I best utilize my space? So we come up with this idea of doing a ceiling train. I know a lot of you may have seen like one level train. Here in my case, I did a two level train, and the project took about 2 weeks and approximately about $1,000. Uh, the room is 13 by 26. And without further ado, we'll let you take a look at the trains in action and see what you think. Let me know. Thanks.